I go away for 10 days and it seems like the news and updates for Quest and Quest games just explode. Hey, what's up, Questers? Today we're checking out the newest Oculus Quest updates, new game releases, what have you. We're going to get caught up on Quest news right now. Well, we might as well get started as there is plenty to cover, and we're starting with the updates to the Oculus Quest platform. First of all, if you hadn't heard, Oculus AirLink has launched for everyone that has version 28 on their Quest 2 and their PC. What is AirLink, you ask? AirLink is their wireless PC VR streaming option built into the Quest 2 platform. AirLink is the Oculus answer to Virtual Desktop. So far, in my limited amount of testing, I've still found Virtual Desktop to be more consistent, but I'm just getting started in testing, and I'm going to do a video on it in the near future on how to get both of them set up and which one functions better for what types of games. AirLink definitely simplifies things, and it's absolutely free and comes as part of the Quest platform for Quest 2, so you won't need to pay the $19.99 for Virtual Desktop if you can settle for AirLink. And as it gets updates, I'm sure it'll get much better. What do you think about AirLink? Let me know down in the comments if you've tested it out and how it's working for you. Also launched officially now on the Quest 2 platform is the 120 Hz mode, and there are already a few games out there that actually have it working, and while I was away, I did play a few of them, including 11 Table Tennis, and I have to say, it's pretty revolutionary to play in 120 Hz, especially in a game like Table Tennis. You can really feel the difference. Currently, there are just a handful of games using that new feature as of right now, including Cubism, 11 Table Tennis, Racket Theory, Virtual Desktop Rhythm and Bullets. Also, the App Lab game supports 120 Hz. Also, Echo VR apparently works with 120 Hz, but only, and this is a quote, during core gameplay. It sounds like the menu system and the lobby and the other aspects of the game are still at 90 Hz, but when you get into the actual game with the gameplay, it's 120 Hz. I have not tested that one as of yet, so you'll have to let me know in the comments if you've tried that one. Also, newly launched just a couple of days ago, HyperDash now has a 120 Hz option in the settings menu, which is the first shooter to have an updated version and allow for 120 Hz. Considering just how fast-paced HyperDash is, this is a pretty awesome addition, and I'm going to be testing it in the next couple of days. Another update has come for the Quest platform as well, and that is an update for hand tracking. It's actually adding a 60 Hz hand tracking mode, which is a high-frequency hand tracking mode, jumping from 30 Hz to 60. So what this does is essentially allows you to have better hand tracking. It's using a 60 Hz frequency for its hand tracking, which I guess adds better tracking to it, so when you're moving your hands faster. I've seen some tests, and it does seem to work quite a bit better, and there are a few games that actually already support this, including Hand Physics Lab, which is an awesome game. If you have not tried it, you should play it, as well as the hand tracking in Vacation Simulator. One last update to the Quest platform, and that is the new Oculus avatars that have been launched for specific games, and those games are PokerStars, Pro Putt, and Epic Roller Coasters, with another new game coming out later this year that I'll be mentioning in the new games section, but that is for VR bowling. These new avatars are the same avatars that are used in Horizon. They are more emotive. They're calling it Avatar 2.0. The 3 games that are supporting it so far, you can currently use them in. I have created my avatar. I have not tried it out yet, but there are a whole bunch of different variations for the body, the face. There is even facial hair, which I'm very happy about. There are also a few new updates coming to Quest games that were announced while I was gone, and one of those is one I'm very excited about, and that's Real VR Fishing is getting an update that's going to rework some of the mechanics, but also adding a United States West DLC. Apparently, they decided to split up the United States instead of doing one big pack, as there were so many different locations they wanted to include, and the first one is US West. This is going to feature 20 new environments as well as new species of fish for those environments, and as you can see here, some of these environments are pretty freaking awesome. I can't wait to jump into the US. It's already been fun to be in Korea and try out some of these locations, but going to real locations in the United States is going to be pretty crazy. Population 1 is also getting a new update, and this is a Western-themed Season 2, and it's launching in May. This season is called The Frontier, and we don't really know much about it as of yet, except for this teaser video that you're seeing on the screen right now, replaying a couple of times. I'm excited. I love Western-themed stuff, and Pop One is such a fun game. It's going to be cool to see what they do with these seasons, and as the second season, I'm probably most excited about this one. Alright, so now let's talk about some of these new games that have been announced, and as you can see on the screen, we're starting with Resident Evil 4. At the Oculus Game Showcase, we got some brand new gameplay footage for Resident Evil 4 coming to the Quest platform, specifically on Quest 2 exclusively. Unfortunately, those were a lot of E's in that sentence, but the game looks pretty fantastic so far. I'm very excited to play this game in virtual reality as an iconic game in the Resident Evil series. It's going to be pretty crazy. Also announced was, after the fall, coming to the Oculus Quest platform. Now, the trailer you're seeing right now is the PC VR version, so expect the visuals to be toned down due to the abilities of the Quest, but just the other day, Upload VR confirmed with Vertigo that the enemy count is actually going to be the same on Quest as in PC VR. I'm not a technical person, so I'm not 100% sure how that works exactly, but needless to say, it's going to be cross-play between PC VR, PSVR, and Quest, so that means that the enemy count needs to be the same, and they figured out a way to do that and make it work. As you can see in this end shot of the trailer, there's quite a few enemies, so it'll be interesting to see how the Quest holds up, how it looks. But regardless, we've got a brand new zombie shooter coming that is co-op, and I'm all for co-op zombie shooters. We've known this game was coming for a while, actually, but the Wizards Dark Times is coming to Quest, and it's coming this week, actually. On Thursday, it's launching on the Quest platform. So if you're a fan of the Wizards series, the first game has been on Quest since around launch. I'm not sure when exactly it came out, but it wasn't far afterwards, and a lot of people enjoyed that game. The Wizards Dark Times launched on PC VR last year, and it's now launching on the Quest this Thursday, along with another game I'm extraordinarily excited about, and that is Demeo, launching this Thursday on the Quest platform. I've already mentioned this game in the new Avatar section, but 4 VR Bowl is in the coming soon section on the Quest store, and it's coming soon. I don't know an exact date as of yet, but I, for one, really do enjoy bowling. I've been playing bowling in video games for a long time, including the original Wii Bowling, which I played a massive amount of. This game does use the new Avatar system. The description says, enjoy lightweight competition and unlock over 75 collectible balls, each with its own unique throwing style. Play online multiplayer with up to 4 friends, meet new people, or go up against NPCs in 6 alleys, and the alleys seem to include a 1990s hall, the moon, Palm Springs, a stadium, a disco club, and Tiki Island. Another game that was announced at the Oculus Gaming Showcase and I'm excited for is Carve Snowboarding. I'm excited to try some snowboarding in this game. There isn't a release date yet, but as you can see, it looks like it could be very, very interesting. I don't know, I love snowboarding. I played a lot of SSX on the PlayStation when I was a kid, so it'll be cool to jump into a virtual reality version of snowboarding on the Quest platform. Well, there you go. That catches you up pretty much on everything going on in the world of the Oculus Quest and Quest 2. What are you most excited about from either the features that are out or from the upcoming games? Let me know down in the comments. I'm glad to be back. We're ready to go full bore into Quest content all over again with some new game videos this week and some awesome upcoming content. So if you want to keep up to date on all things Oculus Quest and Quest 2, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss out, and you can check out even more of my videos right there. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and happy questing.